In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cookie Editor on Bluestacks. We'll move through the process step by step so you can get Cookie Editor up and running inside your Android emulator just like you would on a phone. We're using the Chrome method, which is the recommended and most straightforward approach. First, start by launching BlueStacks 5 on your PC. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on the home screen so everything is easy to find. If this is your first time opening BlueStacks, it helps to wait until all background services finish starting so the interface feels smooth and responsive. Next, open Google Chrome inside BlueStacks. If you don't see Chrome on the home screen or in the apps list, open the Play Store within BlueStacks, search for Google Chrome, and tap Install. Once the installation completes, open Chrome. You're now browsing from within the emulator, which is exactly where Cookie Editor will live and work. Inside Chrome, go to the Chrome Web Store page for Cookie Editor. The easiest way is to search for Chrome Web Store Cookie Editor. From the results, open the official extension page. Take a quick moment to confirm you're actually on the Chrome Web Store and that the listing looks legitimate, with a clear name and consistent branding. This helps you avoid lookalike pages. On the extension page, tap Add to Chrome, then confirm by tapping Add Extension. Chrome will handle the download and installation automatically. Give it a few seconds, and you should see a confirmation that the extension has been added. If you notice a small puzzle piece icon appear in the toolbar, that's the extensions menu where Cookie Editor will be accessible. Now you're ready to use Cookie Editor. Open any website in Chrome within BlueStacks, then tap the puzzle piece icon in the top bar. From the list, select Cookie Editor. The extension will display the site's cookies, and you can view or edit them as needed. You'll typically see options to inspect values, add or remove entries, and sometimes export or import cookie data for testing. Make your changes carefully. Cookies control how sites keep you signed in, store preferences, and track sessions. Editing them is powerful, so only modify cookies for sites you own or have permission to test and avoid exposing any private data. That's all there is to it. With BlueStacks running, Chrome installed, the Cookie Editor extension added, and the extensions menu ready to go, you can now manage cookies directly inside your emulator environment. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined testing workflow.